I'm Dr. Vishal, Director of Power Your Mind. Today I'm going to discuss about stress and how it affects our health, mind, body, as well as emotional health. Stress is very common. Everybody is suffering from stress. The first important thing is how to recognize stress and how to get rid of the stress. Number of research papers and thousands of research has been presented in the medical science that stress is the main cause of most of the diseases. When it is cause of most of the diseases, that means stress management is very important if we want to prevent ourselves from all these problems. Stress is the breeding ground for most of the diseases. Stress is the killer because it gives us so many problems and diseases, right from our heart, liver, digestive system, and all organs of the body they are affected. Not only the physical health, it affects our mental health also. I have been treating number of persons in my center from last 15 years. I have observed the underlying cause of most of the diseases is the continued roller coaster stress. Earlier also, in my 30-year experience as an academic doctor, as an academic person, earlier also in my 30-year experience in academic life and as an administrator, I have observed the stress is also rising in adolescence also. The cases of stress and stress-related problems are very common in adolescence. When it is rising in adolescence also, even it is more in children also I have observed. Why it is more in children also in adolescence? Because of the stress of their parents. The stress, especially the stress of the mother. Anxiety of the mother is passed to the child and the child shows some symptoms which I have to reverse and treat. Because if the stress will be there, the concentration will be not there, memory will be impaired, all the effects of stress will be on the mental health and the performance during the academic sessions. So it affects the academic parts also, it affects the growth also, it affects our physical health also. The stress affects on physical health also, mental health also, emotional health also, as well as our behavior. When it affects our behavior, there will be cases of aggression, anger, and so many problems will arise due to the behavior problems. Stress affects our social problems. It is a cause of social anxiety also. So when it is affecting all the parameters of our life, maybe physical, maybe mental, maybe emotional, it has to be taken. So I personally advise you to go for the stress management workshops and training. Now the question arises, the sad part is, we are not able to identify the stress. If I ask someone, no, I don't have stress. I am just managing stress by going out with the family. I am managing stress by looking at the entertainment, watching TV and going some for entertainment activities. So the people reply, I am not having stress. I am managing my stress by different ways and means, like going for the entertainment. I am managing my stress like going for the entertainment activities, picnic, doing some exercise, taking a part in some play, going for some games or playing some games. But When the stress affects our emotions, when our thoughts are negative, that means there are some more methods to manage the stress apart from the methods which we are doing. These techniques are not managing stress, so we have to manage the stress at the emotion level, at the three parts of our body. That is, our sleep should be good, sleep should be restful, our thoughts should be normal. If we are having positive thought, if we are having good sleeps, if we are having a concentration in the work, and if our performance is good, that means we are managing stress. If your performance is not good, if your health is not good, if your thoughts are not good, then there is a need for stress management technique which gives you deep mind-body relaxation. The scientists of these days, they have recommended deep mind-body relaxation to reverse the effect of the stress or to counteract the effects of stress. Power Your Mind has designed certain techniques to counteract the deep effects of stress on three levels. These techniques help in deep mind-body relaxation. With the results, the homeostasis of the body comes to normal, metabolism comes to normal, our thoughts comes to become positives, hormone level of the body comes to normal, even the chemistry, brain chemistry comes to normal. So the effects can be reversed by doing these exercises, as well as we raise our energy. When we raise our energy and vibration level, then we can take any decision and we can raise our intuitions, we can get more foresight by doing exercises, by doing Power Your Mind relaxation techniques. We can increase our energy and go for the inner power by which we are gifted. By deep mind-body relaxation, we raise our energy, reverse the effects of stress, and develop many more insight in our body. That is, we get better intuition, better insight, and we can take better decisions. So, Power Your Mind has designed these techniques. We personally advise you to follow the seminar and workshop and learn these techniques to reverse the effects of stress.